In this video, I'm going to show you how to do keyword research for the dentist niche. Alright, so let's get started. As I mentioned in my other videos, I'm in the Fort Worth area, so I figured I would do this video on the dentist in the Fort Worth DFW location. Before I get started with any keyword research, what I like to do is structure my website, how it's going to be laid out. So for example, I have the home page, I have the about page, I have the contact page, then I have my services. So some dentists, may specialize in some service. Maybe they do just dentures, maybe they do just teeth whitening, maybe they do everything. So when I go into keyword research, I keep that in mind and what topics I'm going to be looking for. So another thing when you're doing keyword research, nowadays you don't want to just specifically target one page to one keyword. You're looking to do a page on the topic. So for example, if you're doing dentures, you don't want to just target dentures. Maybe you want to do denture repair, denture dentist, how to repair your dentures, how to clean your dentures, all the topics that relate to that dentures, and you build one page on that. Maybe you have some supporting maybe blog posts or other pages that link back to your dentures page. So I hope that makes sense, but let's get going on this keyword research. So I'm going to show you a couple tools here that are pretty cool that you can use to uncover some keywords around your niche. And for this example, again, I'm going to be using dentist. So first one I'm going to go to is Answer the Public. It's answerthepublic.com. You can simply go there and type in whatever keyword you're after. In this case, dentist for now. It's kind of a broad keyword. We may get more granular as we uncover more keywords. So we can get questions. And then you can see here, I'll make this a little bit bigger so we can see it. So it returned 192 questions. It gives it in this visualization. We can also click this data and it breaks them out. So here's some cool questions that may get your mind going. Are dentists doctors? Are dentists open on Sundays? Are dentists rich? Some of these things might not relate to your practice, but again, it gives you some good ideas and maybe even some things that you could write blog posts about to have topics for in the future. Can dentists do root canal? Can dentists fix chipped teeth? And so on. So you can go there and get a lot of different keyword ideas. Cool thing is you can download it and have it on your desktop. Next one I want to go over here is keywordtool.io, and again, you can put in your search in here. If you actually paid for a premium service, it'll give you the search volume, the trend, the cost per click, and the competition. So again, I typed in dentist Fort Worth, and you can kind of see some different keywords here. So another one is Uber Suggest, and if you type in dentist, hit look up, we can see some. Notice here that they do give you search volume, cost per click, and the competition. So again, this is just broad dentist. Once we get into more granular pages, maybe it's teeth whitening or dentures or whatever it might be, we of course wanted to come back and search for those keywords. So another one that I should mention that I'm not going to show an example is a keyword planner on Google AdWords. I don't use it as much anymore as I used to because it doesn't really give you ideas and the CPC cost and the search volume. You have to spend some AdWord budget in order to get some really good data out of it. So I like to use these other tools. So that's just my personal preference, but you can definitely use the keyword planner tool of Google AdWords. Alright, so another thing I like to do is once I know what keywords I'm going after, for example, dentist Fort Worth, I go to the search pages here and I look at my competitors. So we've done this in previous videos, but I'm going to grab Fort Worth Dental here. I'm going to put it into Ahrefs. So the cool thing here is Ahrefs allows you to look at the organic keywords. I can go into this organic keywords page here and see all the different keywords that they're going after, the volume, CPC costs, and the traffic that they're getting, what position they're in. So you can see here dentist Fort Worth is a pretty high volume keyword. If I sort by volume, My plan doesn't actually give me all the keywords, but you can see that these are some pretty highly searched keywords, especially if I'm a footwear dentist. 350 potential people going to my site could be, a lot of money for my dentist practice. Another thing I like to do is go into this top pages here, and I can see how their pages are broken out and what keywords they're ranking for on those certain pages. So for example, they have a dentures page here, footwear dentures, and you can see that this page is ranking for 5 keywords. So I can expand that. I'm going to see footwear dentures, dentures footwear, the volume that it's getting, what position they're in, and things of that sort. So again, once I have my page structure and how I'm going to build it out, I can kind of see what I want to target for each page. So of course, if I'm a footwear dentist, my main keyword is going to be footwear dentist or dentist footwear. So I can go down here and these keywords and kind of see what keywords I want to create my page about, what the content on my home page should include. So cosmetic dentistry, footwear dentist, maybe some zip codes, dental offices. These are all keywords that might be good on my home page. I'd also sort by the volume and see which ones I should make H1 tags, the header 1 tags, the header 2 tags, and which ones should be throughout my content. So then once I have my main keywords, I'll go into my services pages. So for example, maybe I specialize in dentures. So again, I would go into the search engine, type in dentures, and look at my competitors here. So we have Affordable Dentures. Looks like they have a subdomain, or not a subdomain, but in a subdirectory, they have Fort Worth. I like to look at ones that have root domains here, but I would put all these into Ahrefs and look at their keywords. So I would grab this one. Again, I would go to the Answer the Public, type in dentures as well. This will give me ideas on topics that my page should include. Let's put this competitor into Ahrefs, go to the top pages. Then I can see all the different pages that they have related to dentures. So you can see here their homepage is ranking for 275 keywords. So Texas Denture Clinic, Denture Clinic. So these are all keywords that my services page, my denture services page, should include now. Denture, Texas Denture Clinic Fort Worth. I can see the volume here. So dental implants Fort Worth has 300. Denture Clinic near me, 300. So again, all topics, all phrases, everything that I want to include on my dentures page. And then we may have some supporting articles, like you can see here, denture repair glue. So that might be a good blog post for my site that links to my dentures page. So I may have a blog post about denture glue, how to repair dentures, and I'll link it back to my denture services page, so as a supporting silo page. So let's go back to over here to Answer the Public and go to data. You can see there's 200 questions about just dentures. So again, these may be some good topics for blog post, or you might even see a keyword in here that might be good for your denture services page. So as I move forward, I would go to each one of my services and I would type it into Google, see what pages are ranking, put that into Ahrefs, and see what keywords come out from the top pages. I'd also use some of these other tools to see how much search volume and what people are actually looking for, so I can create my pages and I can create my blog page. That's a good way to structure your site, so you're actually creating blog posts and you're creating pages around topics and keywords that people are actually searching for. So I think I'm going to end that video here. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.